Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Skipping this video is like skipping $1,000,000. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to introduce you to how to trade gold. A lot of persons have been hearing gold trading, and let me tell you something. Gold trading is one of the lucrative system in order for you to trade and make cool cash. 90% of people are trading on gold system and they are really making money. Now, we have a broker called binary.com. Now, in binary.com, you have the opportunity to trade commodities, stocks, indices, gold, you understand? So, and even trading oil. You can trade oil. Now, in today's video, I'm going to train you on how to trade gold and how you can trade gold and make financial settlement for yourself. A lot of persons are watching it right now. And if you're watching me, please do ensure to subscribe on this YouTube channel so you can get more training, because this is not going to be only the training we're going to get today, but I promise you this video is going to be a comprehensive video which you're going to learn all it takes to become a trader, a gold trader, with just a tips of what strategy. And I'm going to be brushing you guys series upon series of videos. But before that, I want to tell you that this channel is officially known as what? A crypto channel. And I want to ensure you that you can learn different skills here. This is financial system, not just only for trading alone, not just only for crypto alone. So without wasting much of your time, please, I would like to dive you into the video and show you the tricks, the hooks, and the crown. Let me show you guys. So what we are going to be doing now is to touch on this direction and locate the gold market. We're going to search for the gold market. While searching for the gold market, I want you to note that trading anything called trading is not 100% guaranteed, but with instructions you can make cool money if you follow instructions. Now let's come to this part. This is gold, right? So we are going to be touching the gold. We are going to be clicking it, and note we can only trade 5 minutes and above. We can't trade less than 5 minutes. So as it is now, the trading is on 1 minute. So what we're going to do right now is to change this to 5 minutes. I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you're going to use to trade and what you're going to be on profit. Now, as you can see, the market right now is no longer available because our time is about 10:28 p.m. So we can only trade this by morning, afternoon, or evening time, but not up to what? 10 p.m. So we can trade from 6 p.m. till 8 p.m. and close. We can trade from 6 a.m. down to 8 p.m. and close. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to use another market to show you what I'm about to show you, so you can reciprocate it in gold and USD markets. Pardon me. So now we are going to click on this place right now and change it to synthetic indices. So I'm going to use this to practicalize it on the synthetic market so that you can understand it very well. So as we are scrolling down, I want you to take note that everything I'm showing you here is working accurately. But I want to still ensure you that trading is also risky. But in order for you to avoid the risks, you need to learn from a crypto or a forex trader. Learn from a guru. Don't just go alone and trade. And note, anything you're doing here, you're taking it at your own risk. Financial market is a risky market. I'm not a financial advisor. What I'm doing right now is to educate you on how to trade. So without wasting much of your time, I would like to dive into what I'm doing. So right now we are going to click on volatility. Look at it. We're going to click on volatility 25. You can choose to select any volatilities here, and trade. But right now I'm trading on volatility 25. And what I'm going to be doing right now, for instance, if my capital is on $100, I'm going to start this trade with a single what, $10. I'm going to tell you why I'm using $10. Why am I not using above $10? But in trading, you have to understand the system that talks about martingale. And what is martingale? Martingale is a strategy which, if you lost, you're going to double your funds and to collate it back from the initial loss plus profit equals to more profit. So we are going to be doing martingale with this strategy for 4 good times, and that means out of 4 trade we are going to win 1 out of 4 trade. And what I'm showing you, it is 95% guarantee that you can make such. But as a crypto or a forex trader, I don't guarantee you anything. What you are learning here is based on education, and once you see it and follow it, it works for you, fine. It's at my own free will for you. So what I'm going to do right now is to show you these simple steps that I'm talking about. If you follow this simple step, you're going to be well brought and well brought in this. So let me go down to the video. So what I'm going to do next is to scroll down and click on this place to, I'll change it to chart. After changing this to chart, I'm going to click on this place that said 1T, right? So I'm going to click it and change it to what? I'm going to change it to 10 minutes, not 5 minutes. Now, if you're trading on the 5 minutes market, your chart should be 10 minutes to know what is happening. What you already seeing the future of what you are trading. So with this 10 minutes, it's going to tell us where the market is, if the market is on an uptrend or on a downtrend, or where we should enter or where we shouldn't enter. So before we do that, now we're going to still change it to 1 day and to understand where the market is phrasing at. Where is the market going to? What's the market saying? Right now, the market is actually saying what? Downward trend. Because why? This is a daily trade. Presently, we are on a daily trade, which is 1 day trade, right? This is the future. The future is telling you that I am going downward. So, and what are we doing right now? We are going to be changing this back to 10 minutes. Can you see where I'm going to? Automatically, this trading is telling you the future, that I am going downward. From now till tomorrow, I'm going downward, right? Because it's on what? 1 day. This is a simple terminology that a lot of persons don't know to what apply. This is a simple strategy that even forex broker and traders and crypto traders, if you know this, you can be able to comprehend and what make profit in the financial markets. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to check the future of our trade, of our 5 minutes trade. So we're going to do what? Change this to 10 minutes. Now, by the time we change this to 10 minutes, we are going to still look where is the market actually going. Presently, the market says that I am going downward. Why do I say the market says it's going downward? Because why? This place is actually on a downward trend. And as you can see, this place right now is telling you automatically that the 5 minute trend is going to go down. So what we are going to do, we are going to change this right away, and we're going to put it on 5 minutes back. That's to tell us that our trade is telling us that in the next 5 minutes that it's going to still go down. So what we are going to do next is to come down, is to go up to this purchase lower. Now you have to see this and understand what is purchase lower and purchase high. Now this is purchase high and this is purchase lower, and right now we are about to purchase lower. Why are we purchasing lower and not purchasing high? The reasons why we are not purchasing high is because why? We know that the market is actually going down, and if you purchase lower means the market is going down. But if you should purchase high means automatically you are trading against the market. You are telling the market that it must go high, why the market should or supposed to go down. So what do you need to do in this uh, present situation? You ought to do what? You are supposed to click on the purchase lower and wait for the next 5 minutes. So what we're going to still do right now is to click on the purchase lower. Now, by the time we purchase lower, we are going to see the movement of the trade. Now, mind you, what we did was we purchased lower with the sum of $10. And as we purchase lower with the sum of $10, we are going to click on view. While watching on the view, we will screw this upward and see where the market is actually going. Now the market automatically is going down for our favor. Presently, the market we entered with $10, we are actually trading on $3 with a cent at the back. Presently, it's trading at $4 with a cent at the back. Now, automatically, if you're trading on indices, it says sell at market. Now you can actually sell it and take your profit, your $3. That's to say your $10 has given you $3 plus the profit. Now you can see that the market is fluctuating. It's actually going up and going down. But presently we are on a safer side because we are on a winning situation. Now I want to tell you something. It is only on indices that you can see sell at the markets. But in terms of gold market stroke USDT slash USDT, sorry, you can see sell side. So you have to wait for the next 5 minutes in order to do what? Get your profit. Right now, I'm going to dive in up and show you. This is the time remaining. Now, automatically, once this 3 minutes and some seconds elapse, and we are on a trading that is showing on what? Green, we are winning the trading. But when we are on this minute and this minute elapse and this is on a red side, it automatically means that we lost the trade. Why I am doing this video, I'm going to pause and wait so I won't waste your time. By the time there's 2 minutes and 30 something seconds elapse, we are going to still come back and see if we actually won the trade or not. But before I do so, I want to still show you something that you ought to know. Automatically, once you are trading on indices, you will see and you set up your parameters that it will not cross this line. Now, if you're seeing it that it's almost approaching down to this side, right, a line before the close, what you should do, you should not, so you don't lose in indices, not in all trade, in indices. So what you need to do is to come and do what? Sell off the market and cash out. You understand? But right now we are doing training, so we ought to wait for the 2 minutes to, now it's 1 minute to elapse. Once it elapses, we are going to know, and I'm going to show you what next to do. So let me pause the video. All right, now as you can see, the market has ended in red. Why? The reason why it ended in red is because this particular line crossed this axis. Right now it shows that we have crossed the line, and what we lost our $10. Look at $10 that we were winning before, so we lost it. We were supposed to make about 9 point something dollars at the top, $9.53 to make it $19 at all. So what we ought to do next, what is the next step we ought to take? Now the next step we have to take in order to cover this loss, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to tell you something so that you don't get to lose more money and stuff like that. So now, because the trade has gone up, and we are actually losing, Now we ought to say that this trade has to go back to where we want it to go. So we're going to increase this to $20, right? So once we increase it to $20, we're going to click on purchase lower again. Now we said this trade is going to go down, right? It's going to go down again. Because why? This is actually a downward trend. And as it is a downward trend, it's not supposed to go against us. Now, on this trade, by the time we earn our $10 plus good amount of profit, we'll kill the greed and take the profit. We can sell it before the 5 minutes. Now, that is why I said this trade is actually going to be a 4-time trade, and martingale strategy is going to be applied. And remember what I told you about martingale strategy. Martingale strategy is once you lose up your first trade, you increase your second trade. If you increase your second trade, you lost, you increase your third trade. Now, right now, we are trading on $10. We lost the first $10 and we're trading on $20. And now, by the time we lost this $20, what are we going to do? Remember, if we lost $10 and $20, is $30 that we actually lost. So in order to get the $30 back, we're going to put $60 in order to get our $30 plus a profit. Now, by the time you do plus and minus, you're going to see that you covered everything. But if should in case the third trade did not enter, the next thing we have at the balance, we're going to still use it. Means automatically 4 times you lost, if 3 times you lost, the next 4 times you go in with the all money, and what you're going to get, you still start your martingale strategy with what you have. This has proven that what we are doing is still a risky business, but in a little bit safe side, because trade cannot just be going on one direction alone. But what we are seeing right now, the trade is going up, up, up instead of what, a downward. So we are going to still pause this video and wait for the closing time of the trade. And presently, the closing time of this trade is going to be at the next 2 minutes for 24, okay, 20 seconds. Let's just leave it that way, and we're going to see if the trade will come down and cross down these parameters. So if we are going to lose or we're going to win the trade, we will know. So let's pause the video. So ladies and gentlemen, what actually happened right now in our second trade, we won $19.05. That's to say the first $10 we go in with taking it back, and we still make $9.05 as profit. Now imagine, see where the parameters is, and see where the moving average came down to, and we won the trade. So remember what I said, a trade cannot consistently go in one direction. If a trade is consistency is going up in one direction and is trading against the market, it shouldn't be like that. And remember, there's no manipulation in terms of trading. If you're manipulating it, your trade, you are actually giving another person a upper hand. So what I mean by this is that the broker firm we are using, which is binary, if they actually set this trade to be going only upward trend in terms of downward, another person is going to use same terminology, same system, same strategy to just focus on up. That's to say the system, there's a glitch in the system or stuff like that. So this is it, and this is the trade. We didn't enter the third time, so to say we are entering the 4 times to equate some profit, no, we just entered 2 times. And what I said, remember, I told you guys to follow all the necessary system and the strategy. What we did was we checked the future of the trade by checking up, down to a day, we check a day movement, we check a day what is actually happened, and it shows us that this trade is going down. How do we know that the trade is going down? We check by the red, right? The red is showing you, and the red is telling you bad, market is bad. And once you see blood, once you see red, sorry, once you see red, it automatically shows you that there's a blood here. And the blood means what? If you see a blood in your skin, it means something actually happened. Your blood cannot just come out from your skin. It's either you fell down, or something hit you, or there's a mix of accident or stuff just happened. So with what I'm telling you right now is telling you that the market is bad and it's going down. So if you should say it will go up, now you are trading against the market. So trading against the market is like you wasting your funds. So now we actually follow the direction of the market. First time it didn't happen, but the second time it happens. So, and another way for you to understand and to make profit from such system is to have a very good sum of amount in your your trading balance. With having such amount, let's say you have like $1,000, and you are actually doing martingale from $10. That's a single trade that you go in with. You are trading with $10, a starting capital, $10. The second one 20, the next one 60, the next one you're putting 120 or 130. Now, before you get to trade like 6 7 time, you've already equipped back your phone, right? So this is why I said you should have a good amount of money in order to trade. Another person who said, okay, I can actually manage $2.5 for a single trade, and by the time I do my martingale, before I do up to 7 or 8 times, I should be able to get back my $2.5 that I'm looking for as a profit. Now, what will such person do? Such person will start with, if he has $100 capital, he will start from $2.5. The next trade the person is going to enter is $5. Can you see? And the next trade the person is going to enter is $10. Now, if you should calculate from 2.5, 2.55 plus 10. Now, if the person should win one single trade, he's equipping back or getting back $2.5 as a profit. So by the time you do all this, you will understand that trading a system like this is profitable. And note, I'm not a financial advisor. What I'm doing here is just for educational purpose. Getting all this information, you are taking your own risks. So trading, it's risky. Note that. But ladies and gentlemen, please do ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check the link below of this video at the description section. Sorry, you are going to see the link to trade with. Note, trading is risky. Anything you're doing right now, I'm just giving you an information about trading. So taking this information, you accept the risks, and anything that follows depends on you. So ladies and gentlemen, I still remain my humble self, my wonderful self, Marvelous. Stay blessed and watch the next video to get more insight about what I'm talking about. Bye bye. Bye.